everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make an adorable necklace using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Sunset Splendor? And I will leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available, as well as all other tutorials using this fantastic kit. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So we are using the medium garnet softlex color, and this came in the kit, as well as these beads here. And they're almost like a kind of a flamingo pink or a salmon pink. And these were exclusive to the kit. And these beads are the check glass dusty pink paddle beads. And I felt they would pair really well with the 7 millimeter check glass. This was in the kit, but it's also available on softflexcompany.com. And I just love these beads. They're so full of sparkle. I keep using them in pretty much all my projects. And they come in so many different colors. So link down below for the 15 different colors for those. And then of course your 2x2s. So I'm going to work on my bead spool. By working on the spool, it acts as a bead stopper so you don't lose any of your beads. And I'm just going to alternate between my 7 millimeter bead. What's nice about the beads is you can see the soft flex wire through them. We're just going to string on our paddle beads. I don't think I've ever seen this shape in a bead before, so it's just really interesting. Soft flex kits, they're always unique items that you don't seem to find anywhere else, and they can really make unique pieces. So we're just gonna keep adding on beads. So it's gonna be kind of like a little statement collar necklace. So we'll add all of those on. That's what it's gonna look like. I will not be using a clasp on this necklace, so you want to make it large enough. So I'm going to use about 23 inches of soft flex wire for my project. I'm just going to let my soft flex wire show in the background. And I thought it'd be kind of nice to add in some antique brass metallic soft flex wire just to kind of complement the colors of the beads and the garnet wire. So I cut about 23 inches of my garnet wire. We're going to use our antique brass. We're just going to slide it through our 2x2 as well, but we're not going through the beads. So we're just going to slide the brass through the 2x2 and take our pliers and we're just going to give it a little smash. And then we're going to rotate, and this is just going to give it a more professional finish. It kind of turns your 2x2 into a bead. So we have a little bit of the tail. We're just going to trim that. So that's what your design will look like so far. And we're going to measure out the same length of the garnet wire with the brass. Just go ahead and give it a trim. We're just going to set that to the side for just a moment. Then we're going to add on another 2x2 on the other side. Let it slide down. And then we're going to add on our metallic. We'll just go and give it a little smash again. And we're going to rotate. Trim off our extra soft flex. And then we're just going to measure out the rest of the metallic to match. So we have our beautiful necklace. Couple design options. If you wanted to, you could attach a clasp. What I think I'm going to do is just kind of twist the two colors of soft flex wire together until I reach the end of the necklace, and then I'm just going to attach the last 2x2. So you may need a bead stopper for this. So I have my two soft flex wires, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist. And you will just keep twisting until you reach the end of the soft wax. So this is what we have so far when we twist our wire. And then we'll just continue on both strands and we'll add on that last 2 by 2. So we have our wire twisted. I have my bead stopper on one of them. We're just going to take our 2 by 2. And if you want, you can go a step up 3 by 3. That just tends to hold a little bit better sometimes. So it's completely up to you. Take one part of our necklace and slide it into our 3 by 3. We're going to take the opposite side and do a little crisscross. We will have some extra soft flex wire. We want to make sure that our necklace is even and that our twists go all the way around. And this is how we make an endless necklace without a clasp. So once it is completely smashed, we're just going to take the pliers and cut off any of the extra soft flex wire. And don't worry if it was twisted, it'll just untwist and you can use it for another project. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. So that's our connection point. And we have our beautiful necklace using beads from the Softflex Company Design Kit, Sunset Splendor, as well as the garnet Softflex wire and the metallic antique glass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.